Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G32 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the security. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find encryption and credentials. And as you can see right here, we've got the option we're looking for, so the clear credentials. Let's simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so simply confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got this information. What is more, this option is not available right now, so it is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed the credentials. And also be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock on set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.